Okay, it's time to pay homage to an OG in the space. I'm going to take you back to 2018. I want to talk about the original Bitcoin DeFi layer. That's right, we're taking a look at Rootstock in this video. We're going to break down all the latest updates and why this project is one that, well, you simply cannot afford to miss. Don't take my word for it, because everyone is talking about it. As always, links in the description for you guys to go and take a look at. With that being said, smash up the like button to a brand new all-time high. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and let's get into it. So, Rootstock, what is it all about? Well, fundamentally, Bitcoin redefined. Back in 2018, secured and real Bitcoin miners original Bitcoin DeFi layer is here. Fully EVM compatible with the ability to bring Ethereum style smart contracts to Bitcoin. This is built on Bitcoin's backed and real proof of work security powered by RBTC, programmable Bitcoin, and RIF. Now, we're going to break down exactly what all of this means and why. Well, this project is super bullish. Most secure Bitcoin layer and trusted by none other than Uniswap, SushiSwap, Ledger, MetaMask, and many more. So you know that, well, this project has the minerals and stands up to exactly what it's delivering. Now, don't take my word for it. You got Box Mining, you got CoinGecko, all of the top names have all been talking about this project. So let's dive a little bit deeper and let's understand what Rootstock is all about. Well, it is the home of DeFi on Bitcoin, bridged with major chain, and it's resilient and battle tested. The reality is 100% uptime since launching back in 2018. Think of this, 100% hash rate mining Rootstock, well as 2,172 BTC locked in PowerPeg with over 142,896 monthly transactions. This is not a project to fade right now. And like I said, there is a ton going on with this. They actually even had a full report done by Messari, which for many of you that will know, give a really good indication of how this project really stacks up. They get into the nitty gritty of it and then, well, basically release a report telling you if it's any good or not. Reality is that the state of Rootstock in Q2 2025 was a big bullish take. When you take a look at what they've got on here, they talk about the DeFi TVL up nearly 10% quarter on quarter to $235.9 million, with Uniswap share expanding from 7 million to 35 million as liquidity deepened across major protocols. And actually, there is a ton of stuff over here. Rootstock Institutional also was introduced by the Rootstock Labs to support Bitcoin treasury companies, trading funds, and financial institutions. Well, that has been the big narrative of this bull market cycle. And by the way, I don't actually think it's over. And the fact that we've got a Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem now starting to really move, the reality is that Rootstock is prime placed to make sure that it absolutely delivers on it. And think recently they had their full upgrade, the Level 7.0 min activation, with gas fees now being 60% lower, faster block times from 30 seconds to 5-second confirmations, all very much coming super soon. And well, don't take my word for it. The Reed upgrade is just around the corner.
The name of the next network upgrade is Reed, as you said. There is not a fixed date for it right now, but we expect that to happen very soon, probably August or September this year.
So I know what you're thinking already. 2-bit, this sounds too good to be true. How do I get my hands on the RBTC token? Well, it's the most secure form of Bitcoin in DeFi. You simply come over here, choose a wallet in which you can get RBTC on, and well, grab hold of where you need to. Why RBTC is different is secured by 80% of Bitcoin's mining power via merge mining. They pegged one-to-one with Bitcoin via the PowerPeg and the most secure Bitcoin bridge, and it's permissionless across 200 DeFi apps on Rootstock. So this isn't just like a, I hope it is. This is really a fully utilized project that's really delivering for everyone that's getting involved. They've got a ton of educational content. I'll leave a link to their full YouTube channel where you can look at how to get RBTC, how to connect your MetaMask wallet. They also have full support on Discord as well. So you can absolutely get what you need. And like I said, they have been working super hard to build out everything that's going on with this platform, from their layer bank offering lending and borrowing on RBTC, wrapped Ethereum, and USDT, using the EVM compatible large multi-chain applications such as the Layer Bank 5 that you can join with a growing ecosystem that calls Bitcoin home, and obviously the USDT pairing, now live on Rootstock DYOR, bridging native stablecoin liquidity to Bitcoin's DeFi layer. layer. And remember, we've been talking about how big stablecoins are going to be in this market and why they're going to play such an important role in the expansion of not only the crypto market, but the whole DeFi as well. So what have they got coming? What else is on the pad? What are they going to deliver? Well, let's take a look at the roadmap and where we sit. Q1 2025 is all about that Level upgrade that we talked about, making it simpler, easier, and more secure. Your multi-chain RBTC with Layer 0 and Stargate coming as well. And don't forget, as we move into 2025, you've got the Bitcoin native liquid staking as well as sustainable competitive BTC FI yield. And again, we've talked about how important yield is going to be. Bring us up to speed and more importantly to where we are right now. USD TO on Rootstock as well as that lending via the major BTC FI protocol seamless across all of our BTC with that Read network upgrade that we heard about at the start of the video, and a trust minimized bridging on testnet with that Union bridge as well. So as you walk through this roadmap, you can see just how extensive this project is. And then more importantly, kind of looking forward as to what's coming next with the Vetiver network upgrade, which is going to be all about making sure that the introduction of pre-compiled contracts, scalable and secure, making this even better than it is. And the hard work doesn't stop there. They continue to build out this project and continue to make sure that this is absolutely at the forefront of what Bitcoin DeFi is going to do. Now, also don't forget, you can build over here as well. And a lot of people are, particularly when you look at USDTO, and there's a ton of stuff going on with it. If it's easier on-ramps, unified liquidity, as well as improved trading experience, and more importantly, all about bridging Ethereum and stablecoin assets into Rootstock, which gives greater liquidity, access to popular traded assets, as well as that multi-chain DeFi experience and anchored by Bitcoin. And there isn't many out there that are doing exactly that really support everything on here, and more importantly, make sure that there is a ton of stuff to go on with. When you start looking at what the RBTC token is all about and you understand exactly how big this project really is, it's hard to understand why so many people aren't building over here, and more importantly, how big this is going to be. And they even run Hacktivators, which is where you can get investment onto this project. And again, more importantly, you can choose your profile, path, earn, and ultimately shape the future of Bitcoin with Rootstock with transparent reward and flexibility to submit claim ideas. Look at some of this by the community already. 300 plus submissions, as well as 125 approvals with 95 contributors over 21 different countries. Again, this shows you how big the ecosystem is, but how big the community is that sits behind this, and more importantly, what they want to do and support this as it continues to build out. And I think it's really, really important. But the big crux, as we all know right now, when it comes to Bitcoin, it comes to ETFs, guess what? Institutional grade Bitcoin DeFi. Absolutely. This is where institutional investment is coming, and it's coming to Rootstock as well. So this is an opportunity, in my opinion, to get into something that is absolutely the cutting edge of Bitcoin DeFi that everybody, through battle-tested infrastructure, institutional grade security and custody without compromise, wants to be a part of. And I highly recommend joining all of their social media in the description down below and really taking a look at what they're building. Remember, this project's been around since 2018, and Bitcoin DeFi, in my opinion, is now starting to become way more mainstream, and lots of people right now are starting to get excited about what they're building and, more importantly, what they have to come. Like I said, definitely check out their socials. 250,000 people are following every step of the way when it comes to Rootstock. So my view, get over there, see what's going on, be part of the community, be part of the ecosystem. And if you are absolutely super bullish on what is going on with Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin DeFi is absolutely the next level. That is with Rootstock. As always, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to smash the like button and hit that subscribe button and share this far and wide, especially to everybody who's bullish on DeFi and bullish on Bitcoin. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll see you next time. Take care.